In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over image in Squarespace. If you want to create a more polished and eye-catching section on your Squarespace site, placing text over an image is a simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll use Squarespace's block editor to position an image behind existing text so the final design looks layered and intentional. To get started, open the page you want to edit and click on AD Block. This will open the block menu where you can insert new content into the section you're working on. Since the goal here is to place text over an image, the next thing you'll choose is the image block. Once you click on image, Squarespace will insert an image block into the page. After that, click directly on the image block itself so you can start adding the image you want to use. This is the point where you'll connect the visual background to the text you already have on the page. Now click on Select from Library. This lets you choose from images you've already uploaded to your Squarespace site. When the library opens, select the image you want to place behind your text. Try to choose an image that has enough open space or contrast so your text will remain readable once it sits on top. That makes a big difference in the final result. After selecting the image, click ADD. Your image will now appear inside the image block on the page. At this stage, it may not be positioned correctly yet, and that's completely normal. Next, drag the image over the text. The goal here is to place the image in the same area where your text is located so the two elements overlap. Take your time while dragging, because small adjustments can help the layout look much cleaner and more balanced. Once the image is sitting over the text, click Move Backward. This is the key step that sends the image behind the text instead of in front of it. As soon as you do that, the text should appear on top of the image, creating the layered effect you're looking for. If needed, you can fine-tune the placement afterward so the text is easy to read and visually centered over the image. A clear image and good spacing usually produce the best result. And that's how to put text over an image in Squarespace.